Today we are going to discuss about relations. Now I am taking the two elements a comma b are the two elements. It is separated by comma. I am taking here brackets. So here it is decided this is the first element and this is a second element in the bracket. This particular element is known as the ordered pair. Ordered pair means it is a pair. A comma b are the two numbers and it is having the specific order. Then it is known as the order pair. Here A is known as the first coordinate and the B is known as the second coordinate and also it is known as the abscissa and this is known as the ordinate. Here A is known as the abscissa and B is known as the ordinate. So what is the ordered pair? Ordered pair is the two numbers separated by comma in the bracket is known as the ordered pair. So the ordered pair. Next we are going to discuss about here A comma B. What is the conditions? Note here A comma B is not equal to B comma A if A is not equal to B. If it is A is not equal to B, then A comma B is not equal to B comma A. If it is both are equal, then we can write it as A comma B equal to B comma A. Now here if it is A comma B, it is a set. Set we can write it as B comma A. It is both are same, but in the order pair A comma B is not equal to B comma A. So this is known as the order pair. These are the condition for order pair. If it is given x plus 2 comma y plus 3 is equal to 5 comma 2. X plus 2 equal comma y plus 3 equal to 5 comma 2. Then here the first coordinate is equal to first coordinate. The second coordinate is equal to second coordinate. The corresponding values are equal. Then x plus 2 is equal to 5 and y plus 3 is equal to 2. From this x is equal to, we will get 5 minus 2, that is x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. So from this we can find the values of x and y. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Next, ordered pair. Ordered pair, an element in the form A comma B is called ordered pair. Ordered pair where A comma B belongs to capital R. A is called first coordinate, B is called R abscissa, B is called second coordinate, R ordinate. And what is the conditions here? Note A comma B is not equal to B comma A if A is not equal to B. For example, now find the values of x comma y if x plus 2 is comma y plus 3 is equal to 5 comma 7. Here x plus 2 is equal to 5 and y plus 3 is equal to 7. These two are the order pairs. In the order pair, the first coordinate equal to first coordinate, second coordinate equal to second coordinate. That means x plus 2 is equal to 5, y plus 3 is equal to 7. From this x is equal to 5 minus 2, so x is equal to 3. Y is equal to, transform 3 from left side to right side, 7 minus 3, that is equal to y is equal to 4. Next, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. So now I am taking the two elements, two sets. A and B are the two non-empty set. A comma B are the two non-empty set. The Cartesian product of A and B, it is denoted by A cross B, and it is defined as the set of all order pairs where the first coordinate from the first set and the second coordinate from the second set. That is, A cross B is the set of all possible order pairs, first coordinate from the first set and the second coordinate from the second set. That means first element from the A set, the second element from the B set. That means now all the order pairs means here A comma B. Here the first coordinate from first set. That means A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So it is A cross B is equal to the set of all possible order pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. What is the definition? The set of all possible ordered pairs A comma B where first coordinate from first set and second coordinate from second set is called Cartesian product. It is denoted by A cross B. It is read as A cross B. It is read as A cross B. What is that? A cross B is equal to what is that? A cross B is all possible order pair A comma B such that the first coordinate from first set. That means A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So example, A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to A comma B. Then find A cross B comma B cross A. Means the Cartesian product of A and B, the Cartesian product of B and A. See here, A cross B. A is equal to given 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to A comma B. So here A cross B. A cross B means all possible order pairs A comma B such that A is from A and B is from B. So it is A comma B such that A is belongs to A, B is belongs to B. So for this one we have to take the first coordinate from set A and the second coordinate from set B. So first coordinate here 1 comma A, next 1 comma B. Next it is completed, the second coordinate is completed. Now go for the second element 2 comma A, next 2 comma B, next 2 is completed, next 3 comma A, 3 comma B, next 4 comma A, 4 comma B. So this is completed all the possible order pairs using the sets A and B. Next B cross A. What is a B cross A? We have to take the B comma A such that B is from B and A is from A. So first of all we have to take the B coordinates. Here the first coordinate from B set and the second coordinate from set A. So here it is A comma 1, next A comma 2, next A comma 3, next A comma 4. The 4 completed. Next go for the B. Select B. So B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3, B comma 4. So here 1 comma A is not equal to A comma 1. 1 comma B is not equal to B comma 1. So here we can clearly it is A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Now see here, A contains the 4 elements, B contains 2 elements. Here A cross B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is nothing but 4 into 2, 8. So number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. See here, B cross A. How many elements are there in B cross A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also, from this we can write it as number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B, and number of B cross A is equal to number of B into number of A. From this we can say that number of A cross B is equal to number of B cross A. Here, so note, what is the note? Here A cross B is not equal to, the first one, A cross B is not equal to B cross A if A is not equal to B. The second note, number of A cross B is equal to number of B cross A. That is nothing but number of A into number of B. The third one is, write down, number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. Next, relation. Any subset of A cross B is called relation from A to B. So any subset of A cross B is called relation. In other words, we can say that any order pair, the sum of the order pairs is known as the relation from A to B. For example, A cross B is equal to 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma C, 3 comma A, 3 comma B, 4 comma A, 4 comma B. So it is the previous example, A cross B. Now if you take any subset from A cross B is known as the relation. Now I am taking R1. Choose any one. So 1 comma A is a relation from A to B. R2. Now 1 comma B, it is a one relation from A to B. R3, it is a 1 comma A, 3 comma B, it is a relation from A to B. R4, now I am taking any subset 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma C, 4 comma D, 4 comma B. Now it is also relation from A to B. R5, it is a 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma B. It is a relation from A to B. So here, what is the representation, mapping representation? Here it is a, it is a B. It is a relation from A to B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B contain A and B. A contain 1, 2, 3, 4. It is mapping from 1 to A. It is a R1 is a relation from A to B. If you take the R2, what is R2? Here A, it is a B, it is R2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B. Here 1 is mapped with B. It is a relation from A to B. That is R2 relation. Now I am taking the third one. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B. Here 1 is mapped with A and 3 is mapped with B. It is also one relation R3 from A to B. And R4, what is R4? 1, 2, 3, 4 and B elements A, B. It is R4 is 1 is mapped with A, 2 is mapped with B, 3 is mapped with A and 4 is mapped with B. It is also one relation from A to B. R5, what is R5? Here it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a B. 1 is mapped with A, 2 is mapped with B, 3 is mapped with B. It is a relation from A to B. So relation means any subset of A cross B is called relation from A to B. It is here R is a relation from A to B, then R must be contained in A cross B. And we can say that relation is a any set of order pairs is known as the relation. If it is R is a relation, then R is contained in A cross B, and also relation is nothing but any set of order pair is known as the relation. Now here now how many elements are there A cross B? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in the relation A1 comma A may be present, may not be present. 1 comma B may be present, may not be present. So 1 comma A has two chances, may be present, may not be present. 1 comma B also may be present, may not be present. 2 comma A also having the two chances, may be present, may not be present. 2 comma B also having the may be present, may not be present. So here the number of relations from A to B is, here how many chances for 1 comma A? We have the two chances. For the 1 comma B also two chances. 2 comma A also have the two chances. 2 comma B also have the two chances. And 3 comma A have two chances. 3 comma B have two chances. 4 comma A two chances. 4 comma B has two chances. So that is nothing but 2 to the power of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 to the power of 8. The number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 is nothing but 2 to the power of 4 into 2. 2 to the power of 4 into 2. It is nothing but 2 to the power of number of A into number of B. Here A contains 4 elements, B contains 2 elements. So we can write it as the number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power of number of A into number of B. So therefore the number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power of number of A into number of B. That is 2 to the power of Mn, where number of A is equal to M, number of B is equal to N. So we can write it as the number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power of Mn. M is the number of A, N is number of B. Okay. So example, if A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, B is equal to A comma B comma C, then the number of relations from A to B is, we have the formula 2 to the power of the number of relations from A to B. So here solution, number A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to A, B, C. So number of A is equal to 5, number of B is equal to 3. So the number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power of Mn. So 2 to the power of Mn means 2 to the power of 5 into 3. So that is nothing but 2 to the power of 15. So second example, if A is equal to AEIOU, B is equal to ABCD, then the number of relations from A to B is, directly we can write it as 2 to the power of 5 into 4. So that is 2 to the power of 20. So 2 to the power of 20 relations from A to B. Let R is contained in A cross A. R is contained in A cross A means R is a relation from A to A. Or we can say that R is defined on A. R is relation. So R is defined on A. Now if number of A is equal to n, then the number of relations from A to A, or we can say that the number of relation defined on A is 2 to the power of n into n. Number of A, it's a n, and another number of A is also n. We will get 2 to the power of n square. So the number of relations from A to A is 2 to the power of n square, or we can say that the number of relations defined on A is 2 to the power of n square. If example, if number of A is equal to 5, then the number of relations defined on A is 2 to the power of n square, that is equal to 2 to the power of 5 square, that is equal to 2 to the power of 25. So we can take the relations from A to A is 2 to the power of 25. Next, notations. So let R is a relation from A to B. R is a relation from A to B. The first one, A comma B is belongs to R. A comma B is present in R. We can write it as A or B. A or B, it is read as A is R relation to B. It is read as A is R relation to B. Next is second one. If A comma B does not belongs to R, A comma B is not present in the set R, then we can read as A is not related to B. It is read as A is not R related to R relation to B. So here R related to B. Now example for the relation. Let A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and R is a relation. A is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and R is a relation on A such that A related to B, A is related to B if and only if A is less than B. So then find roster form of R. So here R is, what is that? It is a relation from A to A, and it is A is 1 2 3. Now what is the relation? A is less than B. A less than B. What are the condition? Here the condition is A must to be less than B. That means first coordinate should be less than second coordinate. That means the first coordinate is 1. 1 is equal to 1. So it is false. 1 less than 2. It is true. So 1 comma 2. Next, 1 less than 3. It is also true. 1 comma 3. Next, 2 comma 1. So it is false. it is a 2 is not less than 1. Next 2 comma 2, so 2 is not less than 2. So next we go for the 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is 2 is less than 3, so it will be there. So R is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3. So the second problem, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. R is a relation on A such that A is R related to B is A greater than B. So first one, now I am taking R1. What are they? Here 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here the first coordinate should be greater than second coordinate. We have to choose the values of A and B such that A should be greater than B. 1 comma 2. 1 is less than 2, so it is false. Next 1 comma 3 also false. Next 2 comma 1. So 2 is greater than here 2 is greater than 1, so it is satisfies. Next 2 comma 1 is completed. Next 3 comma 1, 3 is greater than 1. Next 3 comma 2. So these are the R1 is 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Next to second one, R2. What is that here? A greater than or equal to B. So equal to means 1 is equal to 1. Next it is a equal condition, 1 equal to 1. So you will get 2 comma 2, also 3 comma 3, and A greater than B condition. So that is 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, and 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. So here it is a 2 greater than 1, 3 greater than 1, 3 greater than 2. So it is satisfies these, the elements are satisfies the A greater than or equal to B. The third one, R3. R3 here it is A is less than or equal to B. Here less than or equal. Equal means we will get 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Next less than means 1 less than 2. So 1 comma 2. 1 is less than 3. 1 comma 3. Next 2 less than 3. So 2 is less than 3. So here we will get these values 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3.